असतो मा सद्गमय तमसो मा ज्योतिर्गमय मृत्योर्मा अमृतं गमय.
Now, optional exercise problem number 2. Look at the question mark. Prove that sin theta minus cos theta plus 1 by sin theta plus cos theta minus 1 it is equals to 1 by secant theta minus tan theta. And given use the identity secant square theta equals to 1 plus tan square theta. Here we have to prove this by using this identity. Okay, right. So here I am taking LHS first. So what is the given LHS? Sin theta minus cos theta plus 1 by sin theta plus cos theta minus 1. Okay, here divide the numerator and denominator by cos theta. So what becomes ma? So sin theta minus cos theta plus 1 by cos theta by sin theta plus cos theta minus 1 by cos theta. Okay, now separate the cos to all the terms here. Okay, so what becomes sin theta by cos theta minus cos theta by cos theta plus 1 by cos theta, and this becomes sin theta by cos theta plus cos theta by cos theta minus 1 by cos theta. Okay, so now what becomes my here? So here cos theta gets cancelled. Here also same cos theta gets cancelled. So what is the remaining here? This sin theta by cos theta we can write here tan theta. So here it is 1 remaining plus this 1 by cos theta we can write secant theta. Okay, right. Here also already same tan theta plus 1 minus secant theta. In place of 1 by cos theta we can write secant theta. Okay, right. So write down in order. Tan theta plus secant theta minus 1 by tan theta minus secant theta plus 1. Okay, right. Here I am going to use here secant square theta minus tan square theta equals to 1 identity here. Okay, isn't it? This is the identity. This is nothing but this one ma. So both are same. Here this tan square theta I transpose to LHS, it becomes this. Okay, right. So I am going to replace in place of 1 secant square theta minus tan square theta in numerator. Okay, in numerator only. So what becomes tan theta plus secant theta minus secant square theta minus tan square theta by as to this one tan theta minus secant theta plus 1. Okay, right. So this is a square minus b square formula here, isn't it? So this is in the form of a square minus b square formula, that we can write a square minus b square is equals to a plus b into a minus b, isn't it? Can I replace this? Right. So I am going to apply here this formula. So what becomes ma? Tan theta plus secant theta as it is minus this becomes secant theta plus tan theta into secant theta minus tan theta by tan theta minus secant theta plus 1. Okay, right. So I am going to write here ma. Okay, I am erasing this. So what becomes more? So here tan theta plus secant theta minus secant theta plus tan theta, secant theta minus tan theta. Okay. So here this tan theta plus secant theta present here and here. This is nothing but tan theta plus secant theta, isn't it? Can you write like that? Yes, we can interchange the terms here. So these two are same. That is why I am taking the common here. So bring that tan theta plus secant theta common. So what becomes more? So I take common here, that is why 1 remaining minus here also it get outside. So what is the remaining? Secant theta minus tan theta. Okay, so this is the remaining by tan theta minus secant theta plus 1. Okay, right. So tan theta plus secant theta, next what becomes more? 1 minus secant theta, minus into minus, plus tan theta by tan theta minus secant theta plus 1. Okay, isn't it? Right. So what becomes now? So here I am writing this tan theta plus secant theta as it is. This one I am interchanging here. So write down tan theta first, next secant theta plus 1 by tan theta minus secant theta plus 1. Okay, here these two terms are same, that is why they are cancelled. What is the remaining more? So tan theta plus secant theta is the remaining. This is nothing but simplification of LHS. Okay, right. So I am going to simplify the RHS. So I am going to erase this. So write down what is RHS given. So 1 by secant theta minus tan theta. Okay, so here I am going to rationalize this. So how we rationalize? What is the rationalizing factor of secant theta minus tan theta? The rationalize factor of secant theta minus tan theta is equals to secant theta plus tan theta. Okay, so I am going to rationalize here. So 1 minus secant theta minus tan theta into secant theta plus tan theta by secant theta plus tan theta. Okay, so I am multiplying and dividing with secant theta plus tan theta. Okay, right. So what becomes more? So multiply here secant theta plus tan theta by this one secant square theta minus tan square theta. Why ma? It is a minus b into a plus b. Okay, a minus b into a plus b is nothing but a square minus b square. So apply the formula here, it becomes secant square theta minus tan square theta. So what is the formula I have used here? A minus b into a plus b, a square minus b square is the formula. So I have applied this formula here. So we have one identity more. Secant square theta minus tan square theta is equals to 1 we are having. So what is that formula? Secant square theta minus tan square theta equals to 1. Okay, so replace this value as 1. So secant theta plus tan theta by 1, nothing but what it becomes now? Secant theta plus tan theta, this we can write tan theta plus secant theta also. So this is nothing but simplification of RHS. Okay, so consider this equation 2. Here we got equation 1 equals to equation 2. So the simplification of LHS is tan theta plus secant theta. The simplification of RHS is also tan theta plus secant theta. Okay, so both LHS equals to RHS we got here. So it means sin theta minus cos theta plus 1 by sin theta plus cos theta minus 1 is equals to 1 by secant theta minus tan theta. Okay, this is the answer.